9 symptoms of hormonal imbalance that harm your appearance. Being healthy is one of the most important issues facing people today. The rhythm of life, with all its stresses and environmental problems, doesn't let you fully take care of your physical health. Despite this fact, your body and the way you look may be sending you signals about major health concerns that need to be dealt with. We all want to look our best, but this doesn't necessarily have to involve overpriced salon services, cosmetics, or exercise. Your own hormones can speak for themselves. The development of the human body greatly depends on the function of hormones. These tiny signaling molecules are responsible for our mood, emotions, behavior, and even our looks. Watch the full video to find out the most common symptoms of hormonal imbalance that can negatively affect you. If you suspect that you have any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor immediately. We certainly want you to be healthy and happy. So are you ready? 9. Acne. Recurring problems with acne can feel devastating. The more you struggle with it, the more it takes away your happiness and self-confidence. Sometimes you get so tired of it that you just want to give up the fight and live with the breakouts. But you don't have to do that. What if the problem can easily be explained and resolved? Outbreaks of acne can be the result of improper skincare, an unbalanced diet, or your menstrual cycle. However, if acne has become a consistent foe, it's probably a symptom of a hormonal disorder. Don't be scared to visit a doctor and bid farewell that annoying acne. 8. Excess weight. Contemporary society knows so many ways of fighting excessive weight and struggling for physical perfection. Some people can even be called fitness fanatics. This is a big percentage of weight instability explained by improper food habits, like overeating or emotional eating. But what if we know for sure that our extra pounds are the result of a hormonal imbalance? Many people struggle with their weight their whole lives, resisting food cravings and doing exercise. Others are thin without any particular effort. Hormone-related problems are most likely to be the culprit of this injustice. It's not what we're suggesting, it's what doctors say. It's high time to start learning all the possible ways of getting your perfect body, isn't it? 7. Fatigue. The life of a working person can be a ton of stress and effort. Admit it, we all feel suddenly exhausted from time to time, whether it's due to overworking ourselves, staying up too late, or just skipping the morning coffee. But be careful. Always feeling tired despite no changes in your habits or environment is a much more serious problem known as chronic fatigue syndrome, which can be a result of hormones that are off balance. Even those diligent ones who get the recommended 8 hours of sleep can appear constantly sleepless when, in fact, a high level of progesterone in their blood is to blame. A simple blood test will help you check if your progesterone levels are too high. Just go and get tested because it's easy and helpful. 6. Sweating. Yes, this annoying and uncomfortable perpetrator is also on the list. Sweating excessively or consistently can ruin your clothes and steal your self-confidence. Excessive sweating isn't always a result of hormonal disorders. You only need to get your hormone levels checked if sweating is usually accompanied by sudden hot flashes. If you have fluctuations in your body temperature, the issue could be both neurological and hormonal. Again, contact a health professional if you feel like you're experiencing these symptoms. 5. Dark circles under the eyes. We often put the issue of dark under-eye circles down to sleepless nights. They are a pretty good indicator of how much sleep a person has or hasn't got, but what causes someone to lose sleep? Aren't we all overworked and exhausted as mentioned before? Well, even if you are tired and ready to hit the pillow, a good night's sleep can be out of the question if your hormones are up and down. Chronic insomnia may be the result of testosterone insufficiency in men and progesterone insufficiency in women. The good news is that sleep deficiency due to hormonal imbalance can be cured, so get down to fixing this problem for the sake of long nights full of sweet dreams and refreshed, happy smiles in the morning. 4. Depression. Depression can be another symptom of fluctuating hormone levels. Anxiety and depression can occur just before a woman's menstrual cycle, during pregnancy, and during menopause. If you're having more frequent panic attacks and anxiety, talk to an endocrinologist. Don't suffer in silence or let depression steal your quality of life because there are professionals out there who can help. just reach out to them. If you're not quite ready to seek professional advice, find out daily ways to fight depression and stay positive. Let's get the conversation started now. Comment down below and share your tips for everyday things that you do to stay positive and keep depression and anxiety at bay. 3. Breast changes. Now, it's time to get really serious. It's crucial to talk about what hormones can do to a woman's breasts. Low levels of estrogen can make breast tissue less dense, whereas excessively high levels of this hormone can cause lumps or cysts. If you notice any changes in your breasts or you feel any lumps in your breast tissue, consult a doctor immediately. Also, remember to do breast self-exams at least once a month and encourage the women in your life to do the same. Put a reminder in your phone. That way you can notice any changes right away. 2. Hair loss. Be honest, most of us take the time out of our mornings to get our hair just right, and a lot of people express themselves through their hairstyles. That's why it's really upsetting when something goes terribly wrong, like losing your precious locks. Excessive hair loss is one of the most common symptoms of hormonal imbalance. If you try the top-rated hair loss shampoos and you're still seeing distressing amounts of hair left behind on your brush or in your shower, try getting your hormone levels tested. See, so much can be improved if you only let your body speak to you and if you listen to it attentively. 1. Unwanted hair. Let's now go to the complete opposite end of the spectrum. Too much hair. Dark, coarse hair on the breasts, face, hands, or other parts of the body where hair is normally absent or minimal can indicate that there are serious hormonal imbalances in your system. You already know what to do. Visit your doctor and get a blood test. How about some great bonus advice? Take control of your eyesight and headaches. Worsening vision and frequent headaches may signalize instability in the pituitary gland, the hormone epicenter. Don't just give up and blame it on stress and hard work. Get yourself checked out. Taking care of your health should be top priority. Know your body and listen to the signals it's sending to you so that you can be in tip-top shape. Who else can take care of your body besides you? Don't forget to press the thumbs up button and, of course, subscribe to the channel.